Today we're showing you a 1995 Ford 5030 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive open operator station tractor. Tractor's showing just under 500 hours on the meter, but obviously those hours are not accurate. We traded the tractor in from a small hobby farmer that was basically wanting a cab tractor, so he traded this in on a cab tractor. The actual hours are unknown on the tractor. It is a nice clean tractor. It's a good running tractor. The only known issue is it has a very small leak in the power steering system somewhere. It loses power steering fluid over time. You simply have to refill the reservoir occasionally to keep everything working, but other than that, there are no known mechanical issues with the machine at all. It is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so it will sell as is, where is. Comes with a Quicke 310 quick attach front loader. Tires are good on it. Again, as you can see, it's a clean tractor. The seat is the spring-loaded seat that flips up and down. 8-speed transmission. You got high-low range, and then 4 gears, and then the shuttle up here in the column to go from forward to reverse. It does look like the hood and fenders have been repainted at some point or other. Loader obviously is original. Somebody drilled a hole in the bottom of the bucket there. It's got the Toolbox hooked up here for your bucket connection. Pretty clean old tractor. These are kind of hard to find. They're known to be bulletproof. Again, it is one of our budget-friendly tractors. It's selling as is, where is, but again, no known issues with the tractor. Dual rear remotes back here. If you have questions on the unit, please feel free to contact us. You can reach us at masttractor.com or give us a ring at 330-359-5405. Looks like the hours, again, 495 or 496.0 on a likely replaced meter there. See the pedals here do show quite a bit more wear than the 400 hours on the meter, so you can make your own estimations as to the hours. Any questions? Please come and contact us.